Ladies and gents, have you ever wanted to be a hot boy? Have you ever wanted to be a ricer? Have you ever wanted to have a manual? Those are my three questions. The first two, most people don't want to be associated with. The third one, everyone wants to be associated with. And we're going to combine the two. Stick around to find out. We're in the Acura Integra LS. Let's fix our rice, baby. Perfect. Rice status by 15 points. And there's two screws. One and then one on the other side. So I'm going to take a Phillips and a flathead, depending on whichever one works better to get into the threads. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Alright, so Troy came over. He helped me. We ripped out a lot of shizzle. He's gonna go try to get this girl's number now. He's chasing after them. What happened, bro?
Oh my gosh.
What happened, bro?
Hold on, I'm trying to do some math.
How old was she, bro?
She was 11. She was 11. She was 11.
11.
The girl in the black is 11.
Go get some. Yo, another thing to make it riced, I have this boot cover, and I don't know if I should just overlap it over the shift plate like that, because obviously I know that it's just 4 clicks, because I don't really use D3 2-in-1. I don't even know what those are. So I'm wondering if I could take off this plate. So a few curse words later, these adapters don't work for shit. And yeah, so that's what we're on right now. Where's the damn? I mean, I could shift it like this. Look at this. There's like, I don't even know where you're supposed to drill in the holes. I guess you put it in this, because it comes with packages for that, but so I mean, chilling like that, and you could but yeah, so we're gonna start up the car and see what she sounds like, because I have a feeling this is gonna rattle. Don't worry, we're getting a fuel filter. But no. Well, alright, well, we're just gonna leave it like that for now, and if I find of anything better, I might like wanna put some tape right here, some like, I don't know, electrical tape right here on the shaft, to stop this from going, you know, upwards. If I could just make it look clean somehow. But yeah, riced. We have it on now. You have these, I put the housing back on. You have these 2 bolts right here that go for the housing of the center. No, this isn't the center console. Anyways, but they boot under kind of underneath the stereo so that you could put this hinge back under, just like so. And then this, you're like, oh, it's shaky. You have 3 bolts back there that are gonna secure it in, which would be these on the floor. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what those real short ones are for. But that's how you always know if you're doing something right, is you have leftover parts. Yeah, no. So we'll get back to you. All right, so now that we have the center console back on, you know, when you slide it back in, you're gonna hear a click, and that's just clicking these 2 things together. And then you're gonna have these 2 screws that bolt down the middle from flying up, and you're just gonna want to put the cover back on. Once you're done with that, let's see, where is it? All right, so we got that taken care of, looking all flush and clean, pristine. So basically how this works is when you have your normal shifter, you can see the spring down there. When you push this button in, the spring goes down, making this an action. So it's going from horizontal to vertical. But what this does is it just completely gets rid of that step and just installs the spring at the top side. So that way when you go down, you can just shift straight from there. And then once you set that up, you're gonna have a wiggly center console. So you're gonna wanna put these 2 screws back in the back. All right, guys, so there's the ending of the video. It's kind of all over the place. I filmed that, honestly, like, I think 2 weeks ago, and it's just been sitting in the vault with like 4 other videos. So I pulled a Corey Kitchen, no slander or anything, but I'm back on track now. I have all my videos ready to go. But yeah, the shift boot and the new shifter, I guess, or the shift knob, it just looks cleaner in my opinion. Like I said in the text, serves no functional purpose. That's why I didn't even import a video of me shifting, just because you don't, you know. So yeah, let me know what you think. I'm sure I'm probably gonna get hate comments over this, but you know, I'm just a boy that's having fun with his car. So yeah, if you like more car content, just leave a like down below. Oh my god, I mess it up. Leave a like and comment down below. And if you want to do something nice for your boy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well, and turn on bell notifications or something like that. It's been a while since I've said that, but it's good to be back. Love you guys.